I'm being harsh with you. He's a man.
I know, here he comes.
Oh my God, stop, Vinny. All right, here, damn it.
Oh, Judy, you gave in.
I gave in.
Oh, Vince, be nice. Don't be so rude.
My shirt.
Judy, don't feel funny if you want to wash those hands because he's slobbers.
Wash my hands after this.
Yeah.
He's only licking it because he got the sugar.
Oh.
He knows what he's doing.
He's a
he
nut.
wanted my hand because I had. Damn, don't eat the damn hand now.
He's gonna give you a high five. Because he wants something. They make him do a high five when he wants a treat. That's all he's doing that.
He didn't get a treat. He got a treat. He licked my hand.
I know. He thinks he wants more. All right, Aunt Judy. Go wash those hands.
Oh my God.
Get Vince. What the heck? Get the Vince slobber off.
Oh my God.
Vince, you're being nosy.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Oh, Vince.
Goodness.
Well, I'm glad Aunt Judy got to visit with you, Vince.
Vince, thank you for the hand washing. Oh my God. That was leaky.
You notice Tony's not back, Judy.
Huh?
You notice Tony's not back.
Well, who was he barking at?
No, not back. He's leaving me alone with Vince.
I know. I thought he was back because he was barking.
Me too. Oh.
That was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
That was good. All right, what towel can you use?
Any towel, Judy. That's what they're in there for. Don't be silly.
I gotta know the proper etiquette.
Oh, get out of here just because you're in a white folks home.
Oh, shoot. Fine. I just didn't know.
I'm teasing you. I'm
Oh
video.
my God, look at this. Margie and Tony.
Oh, wait a minute. I gotta show that. I'm taping you so Courtney can see you because she's not here.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Watch your head. I'm videotaping this.
Damn, Marge is a mess.
I got that in Boston.
Come on, Boogie. Come on, let's go.
All right, I'm backing up.
Come on, little. No, we're not going outside. Come on. Come on, little nephew. Nephew Vinny. Vinny.
All right.
All right, no more licking my hand.
All right, get down. Leave her alone. Don't touch him. Don't touch him, Judy.
I'm going to drink my coffee.
Okay, Vince, say goodbye.
Vincent said bye-bye to mommy.
Goodbye.
This is what Aunt Judy was great. He licked the shit out of my...